How to enable or disable network adapters in Windows. Having trouble connecting to the internet? Your network adapter might be to blame. These adapters are vital for data exchange, and managing them properly can resolve connectivity issues, boost performance, and enhance security. In this video, we'll show you how to easily enable or disable network adapters in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Methods to enable or disable network adapters. There are different methods you can try. The first and easiest option is through Windows Settings. To use it, press Windows + I to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Find network adapters and pick one, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Enable or Disable. The next option is through the Control Panel. Search for and open Control Panel. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the adapter and choose Enable or Disable. Next is using the Device Manager. Open Device Manager by using Start or pressing Windows + X. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your device and select Enable or Disable. For those with knowledge in advanced scripting and automation, you can use the command prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator by searching CMD via Start. Type net sh interface show interface. This will list all network adapters showing their names and status. To disable one, type net sh interface set interface adapter name disable. To enable it, type net sh interface set interface adapter name enable. Replace adapter name with the exact name, for example, Wi-Fi 2. How to check if a network adapter is enabled or disabled. Windows 10/11 offers simple tools to view the current status of any network adapter. The easiest method to use is through the Windows settings. Press Windows + I to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapters, check the status. Enabled means it's active. Disabled means it's turned off. You can also try it using the Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Change Adapter Settings. In the list, disabled adapters are grayed out, while enabled ones are in color. Using Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, then right-click your adapter and choose Enable or Disable. If it says Enable, the adapter is off. Disabled adapters also have a grayed out icon. Knowing how to manage network adapters in Windows helps you troubleshoot and improve your connection using tools like Settings, Control Panel, Device Manager, or Command Line. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable network adapters in Windows, linked in the description below.